my name is Tal Meyerson and I'm the CEO of Datumate. Here with me I have Burkhard Unterstell, who is the head of digitalization and innovation for Doge Group. We're excited in this event to announce two important announcements. One is the relaunch of DatuBIM version 2.0, which is our automated construction data analytics platform, and the strategic partnership with the Doge Group for promoting and selling our platform in the region. The platform is a construction data analytics cloud and drone-based photogrammetry platform that provides an end-to-end solution to make the entire design, build and maintain lifecycle more efficient. The platform is used by construction developers, by construction management companies and by general contractors. It provides the professionals, the stakeholders of those companies, digitally documented managerial and engineering construction information and to control the processes. As-built digital twins are continuously generated from flight to flight and compared versus the plan or versus the previous digital twin. I'm happy to invite Burkhard to say a few words.
My name is Burkhard Unterstell and I'm the head of digitalization and innovation with Doge International Consultants. Tal, thanks for the kind introduction. Doge Group is an industry-leading construction, planning and consultancy service company. We entered a strategic partnership with Datumate using DatuBIM platform that will enable Doge to expand its digitalization services from planning to the entire construction lifecycle. This partnership is a powerful combination of technology and expertise, and we are convinced will bring outstanding return of investment and business impact for our customers.